I kind of walked in and I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do. Nothing had really sparked my interest until I came to Miss Lee's class and we started talking about SEM Day.
At SCDC, State Career Development Conference for North Carolina, I competed in automotive service marketing. We had 5 different performance indicators, so I had to explain the nature of promotion. I had to come up with a promotional plan, so I used geofencing and search engine optimization and stuff like that to basically get my point across.
Charlotte is a hub for entertainment. As opportunities open up in big cities like Charlotte, students have a myriad of ways to engage in the sport and event market industry. The sports and event marketing program has 3 different levels. We have a SEM 1, a SEM 2, and a SEM 3. SEM 1 and SEM 2 are kind of similar. SEM 3 is distinctly different. SEM 1 and SEM 2, kids get the foundation of creating events, whether they be sport or social events. When they get to SEM 3, that's when it's a little bit more hands-on and we do a lot of projects within the school.
Some of the things they work on, they do whole class events like the Where Are They At Now Day, where they bring back high school students that have actually graduated from college and have went on to work in the industry. The second thing that they work on is the Lip Dub, which is an all-school fun event. It just adds a little bit of excitement to the school. Kids want to be able to do hands-on, opposed to be giving them workbook stuff and having them just regurgitate the material, but actually have them doing the work that they do and having them apply what they have learned.
What we're trying to do is to make sure that the kids have a solid foundation in the marketing skills, so when they go out to get these jobs, they're head and shoulders above other students. Exposure is huge for our kids, and that's my main goal. If I can let you see what's out there, that's going to motivate you to want to try to do better or do something different.
I've been able to work with a company called Sports Biz Careers. I started off as just a student through their camp, and it's a week-long summer camp, and you connect with Fox, NASCAR, ESPN, the Charlotte Sports Foundation. So I've been able to work with them last year, work for the company, which has really been a big stepping stone for me.
Got to work for them, being a summer camp advisor and all that. And then they also got me an opportunity to work with Dr. Pepper, to work with the Checkers and the Hornets on promoting and doing samplings out there with them.
NSHF is our online athletic platform where the kids live broadcast the games.
We interview coaches and we talk about stats with the players and who's really scoring the ball, who's doing great things and stuff like that on the court.
If you give the kids a mile, they won't stop at an inch. They will actually go the distance.